In this video, I'm turning an Arduino UNO R4 WiFi into a Bluetooth low-energy Clickjacking Sentinel, meaning a small, always-on monitor that listens for nearby Bluetooth devices and warns you when something looks like it could inject clicks or keystrokes like a rogue keyboard, mouse, or remote. The big idea is simple, and I'll summarize it clearly. The board constantly scans the air for Bluetooth broadcast messages, keeps a live list of what it sees, marks devices that behave like input devices, estimates how close they are using signal strength, and when an input-like device appears very close, it raises an alert and flashes the onboard light, while at the same time hosting a phone-friendly dashboard on your local network so you can watch everything in real time without any extra computer. Hardware is minimal. It's just the UNO R4 Wi-Fi powered over USB. No extra modules because Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are already built in. I place it near my desk like a tiny guard tower. On the software side, there are three parts: Bluetooth scanning, local web dashboard, and optional enrichment. First, the scanner listens for Bluetooth advertisements, and every time it sees a device, it records the device's address, any broadcast name, and the received signal strength, and it also smooths that signal number so the display doesn't jump around. Next, the detection logic looks for patterns that usually indicate a device is meant to act like a keyboard or mouse, and then it applies a proximity rule, so input device plus strong signal becomes suspicious, because a close input device is the kind of thing that could trigger unexpected interactions if you accidentally pair with it. When that happens, the firmware logs an alert and flashes the LED so you have a physical warning even if you're not staring at the screen. The second part is the dashboard. The Arduino runs a small web server and serves a clean mobile layout that auto-refreshes, showing each nearby device as a card with its address, name, signal strength, how long ago it was seen, and warning tags like input-like or suspicious, plus a separate list of recent alerts so you can see exactly when something changed. The third part is enrichment. If your network allows it, the board can ask a free online database which company owns the hardware prefix of a detected address. So instead of seeing only a raw identifier, you might also see a vendor label like a well-known manufacturer. To keep the system stable on a small microcontroller, the firmware only stores short vendor text and fetches full details only when you press a details button on the dashboard, streaming the information through the board without holding large data in memory. The takeaway is that this is not a jammer and it doesn't block radio signals. It's a defensive awareness tool that helps you notice when input-capable Bluetooth devices show up nearby and how close they are, so you can respond safely by turning off Bluetooth when you don't need it, removing old paired devices, and refusing unexpected pairing prompts before anything risky happens.